Okay, children, the most amusing day. Today is Friday, May the 22nd, 2020. Yesterday was Thursday. Oh, look at this beautiful sound that we have here. The Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. And in the English school, today is day 7. That means that another cycle has finished. Okay, let's continue with the weather. What's the weather like? Who wants to start? Let's see. Okay, let's start by this one. Is today a windy day or is it a foggy day? Well, I don't know. Maybe it is a rainy day or a cloudy day or maybe a sunny day. Who can tell me? Because near my home, today is again a cloudy day. Oh, God. Okay, let's continue. The agenda for today. At the beginning of the day, we are going to have mathematics and 2 hours of mathematics. That means that here we will have a virtual class. Yeah, we are going to enjoy mathematics class. After maths class, we will have a snack. After the snack, Spanish. After the Spanish, mindfulness. And a mindfulness, after that, we will have lunchtime. And after lunchtime, we will have reading time. So remember that you have to stop here, mathematics, and go on to the toilet, wash your hands, and be ready for your snack time. Also, when you finish mindfulness time or class, you will have to stop the activity and go to the toilet again, wash your hands, be ready for lunchtime. And after lunchtime, you are going to enjoy reading time. If you have class with Miss Glorita Garzon, enjoy this reading time. But if you don't have class with Miss Glorita Garzon and you have the opportunity to choose a book from books, Tumble Books, please go and look for the most beautiful books because there you can find very interesting books that you can read and learn a lot. Okay, so enjoy this time, sit down with your parents and read, and after reading ask questions, those questions that you already know how to ask because you are very smart. Okay, children, I love you so much and I hope you are going to enjoy mathematics class because I have prepared wonderful activities for you. Fantastic class we'll have. Okay, bye, enjoy your day.